everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. A few of you have asked me to show you how I do my hair, and because I don't use any hot tools to keep it kind of like that beachy wave look, so I am going to let you know I am not an expert. Hair is really not my thing, but I have found what works for me, and hopefully it'll work for you as well. I washed my hair about 30 minutes or so ago, and I've had it up in my Aquise towel. Now, a few of you have told me about different towels, which I am going to look into. I had some viewers let me know on my last video that they are available, that she has found them at Marshall's for $12.99. These run about $30. I had someone else suggest the RePear, P-E-A-R towel, which I will also link down below. They're supposed to be phenomenal. I haven't tried it. My wonderful viewers have talked to me about it, and they left it in the comments, and I am sharing it with you. I will look into them, at least look into that one, the RePear one, and see how it compares to this one, and see how the price point change. I have to go back through the comments, but some of you have recommended different towels. Anyway, so that's the deal with the towel. I put it up. I haven't put anything in my hair. I do want to let you know what shampoo I've used. As you know, I recently purchased the Olaplex, and it works beautiful. It doesn't weigh down my hair. So what I've been doing, I've been alternating between the Olaplex, and I've been giving this a try, and this is the Ouidad. I have it for, let's see, I have the shampoo and I have the conditioner. This is what I used today. I really like this. It doesn't have any sulfates in it. It doesn't have any parabens. It has a very low pH, and it doesn't strip your hair. So I am really enjoying these. I think the Olaplex works really well, will work really well when I go back to having my hair straight. This one, if you have curl in your hair, you probably will love this one. I have really been enjoying it. It has a nice soft fragrance, very light, very clean. Something that I want to let you know. When I apply my conditioner in the shower, I use this wet comb. And this is the only time that I comb through my hair, is when under the shower with the conditioner, and I just comb it all the way through. That's it. Once I wrap it up in the towel, I will not run a brush or a comb through my hair for the 2 or 3 days, and I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so like I said, I washed it. I've had it in this towel for about 30 minutes or so. The next thing that I do is I've been trying this VitalCurl. This is a leave-in decadence. This has been working really nice. It's a sample, but as you can see, it's pretty big. I've used it. This is going to be the 3rd time, and this thing is still full. I wanted to give it a few shampoos before I actually purchased it. And then what I do with this, it's basically a leave-in conditioner. So what you want to do is take off your rings first. So that's what I'm doing. I should have done that before. Anyway, and you run it through your fingers. Because what you're going to do is kind of rake through your hair with your fingers open, and that way you get all of it in there. And then I start crunching up. And I continue scrunching up my hair. I'm playing with lights today. I'm playing with camera. Hopefully I don't have to re-record this. The last video that I recorded, that's why I didn't have a video up on Saturday, was because the lighting was all wrong and it was terrible. I couldn't put that up. And I'm going to continue crunching. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought all these products myself. Ouidad has no clue who I am. So I just want to put that out there. I purchased this. This is the Advanced Climate Control. And this seems to hold really well because it is a heat and humidity. So it basically keeps my hair from frizzing. This is not a thick, it doesn't have a very thick consistency. And as you can see, it's pretty runny. So once again, run it through. And now I'm just going to crunch it all up. My hair is wavy, but it's not exceptionally curly like my daughter's is. So if your hair is curlier, this will work a lot better for you than it does for me for sure. So I just keep scrunching it up. That is all that I do, honestly, when I first wash my hair. I'm gonna come back, for you it's just going to be like a second, but I'm gonna come back about 5 hours later or 6 hours and I'll show you what it looks like. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the morning and what I do in the morning to make it go back, because I use a couple of different things. All right, I'll see you in a few minutes. Hey ladies, just checking in. It's been about 6 or 7 hours since I've done my hair, and I've been outside, I've been doing stuff around the house, and it's not looking too bad, is it? What do you think? All right, the next time I see you, I'm gonna come back in the morning when I'm getting ready to go to school, so you can see what it looks like when I wake up and how I fix it in like 4 or 5 minutes, and it'll go back to looking halfway decent. I do want to point out that I have not done anything. You cannot, at this point, if I brush it or if I comb it, I'm going to be a big frizz ball. So no brush, no comb, as much as you want to. If you want to spruce it up a little bit, the best thing you could do is put your head down, spritz it with some water, and just crunch it all up. But right now it's feeling nice and soft and it's looking all right. I mean, you know, I live in Florida, so there's always going to be a little bit of frizz, but I think it's holding up really well. All right, I'll see you in the morning. And now, through the magic of editing, I'm back. It's Monday morning. I've got my makeup on, ready to go to work. I haven't gotten dressed yet, but I want to show you what it looks like in the morning and how I get it done. So, as you can see, it does not look very pretty. The first thing I do is I'm going to rehydrate my hair, and you could do this 2 ways. You could either use just some water. I just find that it holds better if I use this CurlSmith. This is Moisture Memory Reactivator, and the nice thing about these products from CurlSmith is that they're made without silicones, parabens, sulfates, DEA, any of those things. And the thing, when your hair has some curl to it, you always want to re-moisturize before you add any other products. I could very well do it with water and then add some Bumble and Bumble, which this is the surf spray, and that works well. I just alternate between one and the other. I don't really think there's much of a difference, honestly. I just think this has really good ingredients. It doesn't leave my hair crunchy, and it works really nice. Let me show you what I do. So I'm going to reactivate with this, and I'll leave all the products listed down below. This is an 8-ounce bottle. This is going to last a very long time, and I don't remember them being particularly expensive. I just got them at Ulta. So I'm just rehydrating really well. I'm going to turn my head over and just spray the bottom. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, the curls are starting, or the waves, not curls. I don't really have that much curls. And what I'm doing now is I'm just crunching. When you see me in the videos, in these past videos, and some of you have commented, oh, your hair looks so nice, this is what I have done before recording. It hasn't been that I have washed my hair and done it specifically for the video or anything like that. I think my last video I did, and it had been like 2 or 3 days before I had washed my hair. So it's starting to come back with this. And like I said, if you just want to use water, you can. The key is don't brush, don't run a comb through your hair. And no, it's not all knotty or anything like that. You can also tie it up at night and wrap it up in a towel, and that way it just stays, and it's not, you don't wake up as with it as flat as I do. I've got about 5 minutes or so to get my hair done because I have to get dressed and get to work. This is also by CurlSmith, and this is Hold Me Softly Style Balm. It's totally dark out, so my ring light might be a little bit brighter. Let me see. Hopefully the camera is capturing it of it. I'm just taking a pea size and I'm running it through my fingers, and now I'll just bring it in my hair. All right, that's it. That's all I do in the morning. Thank you all so much. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.